guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Allure beauty box unboxing, the last one I'm going to do. I've already canceled. This is the December 2017 box. I canceled for last month, but I guess it didn't take, or I didn't get it in time, so I ended up getting one more shipment. And Daisy is here. She's 7 months old. She is going to help me open it. So when you open the box, woo! All right, it's all on the floor. When you open the box, the inside looks like this. It says sheet mask and chill. That's the inside of the box. I'm going to give her that. There you go. You play with that. It's Christmas Eve. She's in her snowflake jammies still. We're going for our family gathering in a little bit, but I wanted to stop in and show you guys the December box since it's already the end of the month. So this month's box was curated by Jaclyn Hill. You guys, of course, good. Of course, you guys probably follow her on YouTube. If you don't, I don't know, she's probably got like 4 or 5 million subscribers. So I'm going to pick up all these things. Bear with me here. Ugh. Well, here's one thing. This is the Jaclyn Hill cover, and it has all the info about all of the products. So, none of these are full size, usually samples. But of course, she chose brands for the box that she markets for, you know, and does things for. So, Becca, we got a Champagne Pop mini highlighter. I already own this in a one of those champagne splits, like blush highlighter combos. So I think I'm going to give this to my sister. Throw that in her Christmas present. I think it's in a gift bag, so I'll just throw that in. She'll love it. And then, sorry, everything's on the floor, and it's too hard for me to pick the whole thing up with her on my lap. Dior Show mascara, Lash Effect mascara. I haven't tried this. This box is $15 a month also, just in case I forgot to mention that. This is the Purity Made Simple Philosophy Cleanser. And the Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. Ooh, Daisy likes that. I think that's for your hair. There's an Hourglass Veil Foundation Mineral Primer. Little deluxe size of that. I don't think this was in the box. I think I just had this, but it's the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfection Moisturizer. I don't know if this was meant to be in the box, but it's here, so I'm going to show it to you. And then, oh yes, there was a Morphe brush, and you know she's always talking about Morphe. So this is the little sleeve it came in. It's the M433 blending brush. Life's too short to blend in. Morphe babes, blend the rules. The holy grail of blending brushes. I don't think I could do my eyeshadow without this one, Jaclyn Hill. And so it's just your standard eyeshadow brush. That's all it is. So that is $15. I actually liked this month's a lot more. There's more makeup. I still don't love getting skincare, and pretty much I wouldn't have gone out with my own money and purchased any of these products. That's kind of the point of these subscription boxes for me, or the flaw, is that I would not have purchased those with my $15. So, do I think it's a good value? Sure, if you were planning on buying these, this is a great value. But I've tried this foundation primer. It's so expensive. It's okay. I'll use it, but I'm not loving it. Do I need another makeup brush? No, but I like it. I've been meaning to order Morphe brushes, but, would I have spent $15 on it? No. The Dior Show mascara, I always have mini mascaras hanging around, so I don't pay for those. They always just come free. A Champagne Pop, I already owned it. This cleanser, I've used it. It's fine. There you go. I'm going to play with that. But yeah, $15 a month, I don't know. And then you usually get a bunch of coupon codes. Bobble Bar, $20 off your next full-priced order. But I mean, yeah, it's just okay. So I've decided to cancel and spend that $15 a month. I was actually getting the Macy's box and the Allure box. That's $30 a month. I can buy the full-size Becca highlighter for that every month. I can buy one product instead of these two subscription boxes. I mean, the money that I make on YouTube, I'm spending on subscription boxes and products to review. Oh, she's just happy. Anyway, but, so I mean, it's not like it's really money out of my pocket, you know what I mean? It's all YouTube money, but I just rather spend it on products that I actually want to review for you guys, rather than just products I'm going to put in a drawer and maybe use a few times. So that is it for this month's Allure Beauty Box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Say bye, Daisy. Bye. Bye. We just filmed her 7-month update, so that she'll be up soon, if not before this. Thanks for watching. Bye.